Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be moving back to the Matplotlib library. And today we are going to be looking at the set ylim method. And basically what that is we're going to be toying with the height of our graph. So that's why it is so important, if you haven't hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, to go ahead and do that right now, because we build one thing upon another. So right here, this is our grouped bar chart, but it looks okay right now. But what happens if we slap a legend? So let's just do that right now. Okay, and here we start with our problem. So now we're starting to really have an issue. So this is where this starts to really play into account. And we're going to XY set Y, so you can see that. Lim. And let's just kind of play around with this. Takes a list. So let's go 0 through, what, 12 came out. So let's do 14. Just see where this starts to really play. Okay. Let's go 16 on this. Give us a little bit more elevation. Alright. But now this starts to look a little chunky. Yeah, we're like, well, yeah, we go to 12, but why do we have 14 and 16 here? Well, now we're going to come back and kind of toy with the Y, our tick marks. We've done that before. Y ticks, and we're just going to give it np.arrange, and let's just kind of play around with this for a second. So we can remember, ooh, it went by 2s, that's right. So we can go 2, alright, we're getting close. So why don't we do one more? So this is our start, stop, and step. I like that. So of course you can tweak this a little bit more. So next time, the reason why we're putting a little bit of elevation, we're going to do some annotating, so we can actually begin to get some numbers up here, so we can really see what these values are. So there we go, guys, a real quick video today. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below so I can get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.